Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Log In, and today I'm back with another brand new video to show you guys how you can log in into your Veritex Bank account. First of all, open up any web browser that you are using and then go into its search bar and just type for Veritex Bank Login and hit enter. After doing so, the results will pop up on your screen. Scroll down until you see Veritex Bank where it says Login and tap on it. And after doing so, you will be redirected to the official login site of Veritex Community Bank, where you need to input your user email and password so you can log into your bank account. But in case you forgot your password, you can easily reset your password with this button, Forgot Password, right here. Now, after entering your correct user email and password, just tap on Login and then you will be logged in into your Veritex Bank account. So guys, that's how you log in into your Veritex Bank account. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for reviews and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.